Dear teachers, today I am going to introduce you a method of teaching learning process by using online facility. It is known as G Suite and Google Classroom. By using this facility, we can create our own classroom for students in which we can share contents based on the curriculum. We can give assignments or homework and we can even evaluate it. We can make a Google Drive folder specially made for the classroom and share all the contents including notes and the pre-recorded class in the form of video. We can also take live class or meeting with the students, thus we can interact with them. Actually, for starting this facility, we need to collaborate Google Classroom with our school website. Google need to verify our website by giving some codes in the school domain. So my friends, now the task is very simple and I will explain you about it one by one. So you can create a classroom only for one teacher or for several subjects with one class, so that you can decide by yourself. Then first of all you need to collect the Gmail addresses of the students and the teachers, because any other email facility may not work in our that Google Classroom. So Gmail email address need to be collected and that address can be given. So they will get the invitation in their email. So by clicking on the link they can join in the classroom. Otherwise they can log into classroom.google.com address, and there is a code for each classroom. So by giving the code of that classroom they can enter into the classroom. So let us see how it will work. So here there is a class for practice and a teacher already added, it's me, and I have already invited one another teacher. So when the teacher entered into their email address, they will get that link for joining. I want to add one another student, so I will click here and I need to enter their email address. So as a practice I am going to insert my another email address. So I am going to join as a student. So I will click that invite link. Now let us see how that link will work. So I will enter into my second email address. See, I got an invitation link. So I will click here. From here I will get that email and a link for joining is there. I will click here. See, now I joined in that practice class as a student. So in this way we can add as many students and teachers. So that is the first step. So you can just simply give the email address of the students, create a classroom for you. Okay, now I am going to explain you how can a student or a teacher enter into this facility, this classroom, without that link. Okay, so first of all I will remove myself for just to enter it again by another method. So I am going to remove that student Okay, to the class. See, here there is a name, so we can see it expanded manner. See, this is the code for that class, so we can send this code to that student, okay, or the teacher. So if you don't get any link, you can log in to this classroom by using laptop or a desktop. So first of all, I will explain how to enter into the classroom by using laptop or a desktop. So take any browser, maybe Google Chrome browser, and click here and enter classroom.google.com and log in by your email address. That may be a student or a teacher. Just log in. Okay, so I have already entered into another class. Now if I want to enter into the new class, I will click here and click join class. Then the class code will be asked. This was the class code, so that code will be entered here. So you can send this code to the student and click join. See, again I entered into the class as a student. In this way, we can, by using the link or by using the code, you can enter into the class. Okay, let us check how this facility will be available from mobile phone, Android mobile. So for that, we need an app which is known as Google Classroom. From Play Store, Google Play Store, search for Google Classroom. Here it is. This is a symbol for that app. Click here. Now install this application. Okay, so the application is already installed. Now open it. So this is your email address, means the email address of student or the teacher, and log in into the classroom. So log in into your email. Here is the invitation. Click here to join. Then it will ask how to open it by using the Classroom app that we have already installed, or by using Google Chrome. Now, as we have already install the app, you can click here that classroom just once or always. Choose the account. Okay. See, by that we already entered into the class. So this is the method to join into the class by using Android mobile phone. Okay, so without the link you can enter into the class in another method. After installing this classroom app, just log into the classroom app by using your email address and click on the plus button, then click on the join class. So for each class there is a code. So get the classroom code from the teacher and enter that classroom code here. See, for this practice class there will be a code. Similarly, for each class there will be different classroom code. So click here, join class, enter the classroom code and you can enter if you don't have the link for joining into the classroom.